Well, today I'm machining the top of the valve guides on these small block Chevy heads because the camshaft I'm going to run in this engine has quite a bit of lift, and it's more lift than I've run before. So we're just taking a little bit off the top of these valve guides so I have retainer to seal clearance, using a high-speed steel end mill in my drill press, which you should not side load this because you could make your drill press fall apart. But I'm just pressing down vertically and not putting any side load on this. So anyway, this is alright. May not be the best scenario, but you're not going to hurt yourself. So anyway. Anyway, piece of cake. I just got the stop set on my drill press, so I go the same depth on every one, and I've got my table tilted 23 degrees for these small block Chevy heads. So pretty easy little operation in the home garage. I'm sure your machine shop can do a better job, but I'm trying to save some money here. So anyway, not much going on today. That's all we got. Thanks, guys.